Daisy Kids. Click here for more videos.
10 lines essay about motorcycle. A motorcycle is a cool vehicle that kids love. It has 2 wheels and can go really fast. People wear helmets for safety when riding a motorcycle. Motorcycles come in many colors and styles. They make a vroom vroom sound that's fun to hear. Some motorcycles are used for racing, like in the MotoGP. Motorcycles are great for going on adventures. They are smaller than cars but can go through traffic easily. Motorcycles need gasoline to run. I think motorcycles are awesome.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.